Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to use the countdown timer in TownVOTE. The countdown timer is a new feature which allows the operator to set up a clock that counts down during the vote and is visible to the audience. You can find the countdown timer in the General Settings drop-down menu from the Settings sidebar in TownVOTE by clicking the arrow in the bottom left or pressing the Escape key. To enable the countdown, click the toggle to the right of the Set Countdown Timer setting. Enabling this setting will allow you to edit the clickable hours, minutes, and seconds fields. Edit the fields to change the length of the countdown to your liking and click the save icon when you are finished. For this demonstration, I will set a 20-second countdown. Now that you have set your countdown, the timer will activate upon opening a vote. The timer will not start until the vote is opened, and upon the conclusion of the time, the operator will still have to close the vote manually. This is a safety feature to ensure that the vote is not closed prematurely. Note that the countdown timer feature is only available when using the no grid option, and toggling the participant grid will get rid of it. Changing the length of the timer will affect all future agenda items, but you cannot change the countdown length in the middle of a vote. Thank you for watching this training on how to use the countdown timer in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.